Hello, this is Reverend Ken Wilcox at the Center for Spiritual Living here in St. Augustine, Florida, wishing you the best of the holiday season. I know this holiday is going to be a little different for all of us, so I wanted to share a particularly fond memory I have, and it involves this Christmas card. You can tell how important it is to me because I keep it framed. I got it almost 30 years ago, and I guess it's one of the few Christmas gifts that I've kept around all this time. It came from a relative of mine, actually just a relative by marriage. She was the youngest sister of my stepfather, and she didn't come into my life until I was a young adult. She had a son my same age, and so for our college years, we were kind of party pals. After college, our paths went in different directions. He stayed there in Macon, and I went on to DC to work there. Later, during the 80s, he contracted AIDS and he was to die. I had moved back to Atlanta by that time, and I kind of adopted Doris as a special person in my life. Although she came from a wealthy family, they were a family of means, they weren't a very loving family. So I made it my business to make sure that she always had Publix Thanksgiving and Christmas dinner to have some sort of celebration because she had given up on the holidays after her son had gone. Like I said, I adopted her and she adopted me. It got to one point when she could no longer put flowers out on Duffy's grave. I took that up as my responsibility as well. That kind of thing is important in Macon. The card that I keep is one that she wrote me the last year of her life. And she just wanted to let me know how important and loving I had been in her life and how much she had valued our friendship. I treasure the card, and at Christmas time I get it out, and I often will take it out of the frame to reread her sentiments to me. You know, our marketing people will tell us that important gifts have to be expensive and that they have to come in big packages and bows, but not really. Important gifts are gifts from our heart and soul. When we just let people know how much they mean to us, how important they are to us in our lives. And we can do that with just a simple card. Wouldn't it be a wonderful thing this year, as we are celebrating this holiday season differently than we have in years past, if we were to make it a point to let people know that they are important to us, that our lives are better for their being in it. And who knows, just a simple Christmas card could mean so much to a person that's left in a frame and valued for over 30 years. We have it within us to share the love of God to each other, to ourselves, and for our world, and to make the world a better place for our having been in it. Isn't that really the message of Christmas? That a better light is coming into the world, and it comes through our loving, it comes through our hearts, and it comes through our souls. We're just that powerful. This is Reverend Ken, wishing you the very best of holidays. Until we get to meet each other again, many blessings.